Sheena, have you got any packages for me? I'm expecting something from my sister in Boston.
Well, nothing that I recall, but there's a few packages over there if you'd like to take a look.
Oh, top a leaf.
Sheena, can he play with one of these toys?
Oh, of course you can. Which one would you like? Go right ahead. There you go.
There you go.
Well, is there anything I can do for you folks this evening? Well, I had that condiment.
Oh, hello.
Hashu.
Leabhar. Leabhar Pain.
Honey, come on, honey, come on.
Honey, keep it out the bed. How's your mother making out
Oh,
anyway?
my gracious. Oh, Giovy Maggie. You know, she's almost 100 years of age and hardly a complaint at all.
100.
Yes, haven't seen you folks in a long time. Can I get you anything this evening?
Well, I'm needing a new pair of shoes. That's all done. Yeah, they're pretty short.
Those shoes are after being done for months now. And to think that I couldn't get this gawmach to come to town before today? Well, yeah, with the winter coming on and all, could he me cow?
Oh, well, I'm sure there's something we can do for you. Would it be around the same style that you'd be looking for?
Oh, Hector, yes, the same would be right enough.
All right, we'll have a seat there. We'll see what we can find. What do you think? Got some shoes here that we could...
Yes.
Well, yes, I think these might be your size. Tap of that. There you go.
Oh, Leabhar, top of that. Oh.
They're a nice shoe, you know.
Tarmich, what in the devil did you think I meant when I told you to wash your feet before we came? Make them dirty?
I washed my feet, quite the shin. That's pretty clean. I washed my foot there.
Call that clean? Anatomy, I've got some work to do with this one yet.
Well, I'd have to agree. That's some dirty foot there, boy.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh.
Well, indeed.
Well, my old cass o sour Grishema. Yo, Bhròg and Asgaidh. I think if I ever saw a foot that was dirtier than that one, I'd be giving you the shoes.
Oh, but
That's a good one, yes.
Fibbles a minute.
Oh! Så trevlig gräsen! Oh! Hey, grat! Oh! Are you spending your time in the pig pen?
I've been known to.
Only
Oh,
Willie
well,
deserves it.
take them!
I will.
Take them! Oh, my gracious! Oh, hanakami a Eachann. Oh! Oh! How? Take them! They're yours!
Well, it should be ashamed, really, indeed.
Oh, well, I would be, but I just got a free pair of shoes.
Well, I suppose a free pair of shoes wouldn't go astray.
They sure wouldn't.
Oh, indeed.
Well, man, nice doing business with
All right.
business.
Better
Honey,
Anna Clay.
did you ever see the likes of that?
Now, don't you be getting any ideas. I'll not have any husband of mine going around with feet as dirty as that.
Hi, Cabela.